Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy. Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be bossy. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making donuts from canned biscuits and also a cinnamon glaze. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 can of Glazed flaky layer biscuits, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 3 tablespoons of water, and 1.5 cups of confectioner sugar. Okay guys, so 8 biscuits come in the pack. The biscuits over here, I did not separate them. So I took 4 biscuits on this plate. I separated them and we're going to make twist. So what you want to do is stretch your dough, your biscuit, the long ways. Make sure you stretch 2 pieces. Then I'm going to show you how to twist. Okay guys, after you stretched the biscuit, I'm going to go ahead and roll it long like that. So you're going to have 2 of them that are going to look the same way. Now that we have them both rolled out, I'm going to take it at the top and pinch. Pinch it tight. And then you're just going to go ahead and twist. When you get to the end, pinch that really tight also. And that's how you make your twist. Okay guys, as you can see, I have 4 twists. I have 4 donut holes. And all I did over here was take the biscuits and use a cookie cutter, a round one, and just pressed out the centers. So now we're going to go ahead and heat up our pot with vegetable oil, enough that you can deep fry. And that should be heated up to about 350 degrees. Okay guys, while your vegetable oil is heating up, you should have a cooling rack set to the side. So once your donuts are done, you can transfer them over so they can cool off. Okay guys, once your grease is hot, you want to go ahead and put your biscuits in. Just like so. And you want to keep an eye on them. Do not walk away from them. You want to make sure they don't burn. And you also want to make sure that the inside cooks quicker than the outside, so they don't burn. Don't overfill your pan either. Okay, they look like they're coming along good. You can see them browning. We give them a couple minutes and then we're going to take them out. Okay guys, I'm about to remove them and put them onto the cooling rack. Alright, I'm about to add my last twist in. And also I'm going to put a couple of the donuts. Don't overload your pan. See how quickly they start to brown? Just move them around a little. And basically all you do, guys, keep your eyes on them for a couple minutes and they should be done. Do not let them burn, and you just repeat the process with your remaining donuts. Okay guys, I have the last of my donuts in. We're going to be taking them out in a second or two. Okay guys, I have all my donuts on a cooling rack, as you can see, and none of them are burnt. This is a really quick process. So now all we have to do is let them cool off. And we're going to head over and make our cinnamon glaze icing for them. Okay guys, I have my bowl. I'm going to add our confectioner sugar in. And only the dry ingredients right now. The cinnamon. Next, you're going to take your whisk and just mix that all together. Mix it nice and thorough. Now, take your vanilla, put that in, and also our 3 tablespoons of water. And all we're going to do is go ahead and mix that until it's all completely wet. Okay guys, this is your cinnamon glaze. Also guys, I wanted to let you know, if you don't like cinnamon, you can actually leave that out and just make a vanilla glaze. Okay guys, now all you want to do, grab one of your donuts and just coat it in the icing. I'm going to sit it back on the rack and do each donut like so. Make sure you coat it good and just sit it back on your cooling rack. There's another one. And do that with every donut. Let's do a twist. Put your twist in. Make sure it's coated nicely. Get every part of it. And back up on the rack. Once your donuts are all glazed, guys, just let them go ahead and sit on the rack for a little while until they're dry. Okay guys, here you have it. A plate full of donuts with cinnamon glazed, made from a can of biscuits. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the like button, and please come back again. Thank you guys for watching. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef.